हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 13 ब्रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक और चैप्टर है टू फ्रेजेस। अभी तक जो पहली एक्सरसाइजेस थी उसमें हमने एडजेक्टिव फ्रेजेस निकाले थे। अब हम इनमें जो है सेंटेंसेस में से एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस को जो है वो निकालेंगे। पिक आउट द एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस। पहला है शी लिव्ड इन द मिडल ऑफ द ग्रेट वुड। इन द मिडल ऑफ द ग्रेट वुड, एडवर्ब फ्रेज। Nothing can live on the moon. On the moon. Come into the garden, Maud. Into the garden. Three fishers went sailing over the sea. Over the sea. Over her hangs the great bell, the great dark bell. Over her, down in a green and shady bed, a modest violet grew. Down in a green and shady bed. On your conscience, this will lie. On your conscience. They sat for a while on the bank of the river. इसका जो adverb phrase है वो है for a while और on the bank of the river. Honesty is written on his face. On his face. The gun went off with a loud report. With a loud report. Or you can say report. There dwelt a miller hale and bold beside the river Dee. Beside the river Dee. I stood on the bridge at midnight. On the bridge at midnight. To the northward stretched the desert. To the northward. Beside a green meadow, a stream used to flow. Beside a green meadow. I have read Bacon to my great prophet, to my great prophet. In her ear he whispers gaily, in her ear. Beside the ungathered rice he lay, beside the ungathered rice. They fought to the last man, to the last man. He persevered in the face of all obstacles, in the face of all obstacles. The shoe is pressing on my toe, on my toe. Keep him at arm's length, at arm's length. Make yourself at home, at home. It must be done at any price, at any price. Pauperism increases at a fearful rate, at a fearful rate. He has painted him in his proper colors. In his proper colors. He has his finger on the pulse of the nation. On the pulse of the nation. He lives by his pen. By his pen. The shepherd shouted to them at the top of his voice. At the top of his voice. He strove with all his might to escape, with all his might. Without pausing to consider, he struck the blow. Without pausing to consider. Much water has run under the bridge since then. Under the bridge since then. ये सारे जो आपने मार्क करे हैं, ये सारे के सारे एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस हैं। आपकी एक्सरसाइज आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।